Welcome to your channel, English Steps Podcast.
Welcome to the English Steps Podcast. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to your cozy place to learn easy English through everyday conversations. I am Emma.
And I am Leo. Welcome back, everyone. If you feel tired after a long day, you are safe here. Let's take a deep breath together. Breathe in and breathe out. Very good.
Learning English is a journey, and we take it one step at a time. Today's episode is for beginners. This is an A1 level episode. We will speak clearly and use simple words.
Today, we are talking about your evening. The evening is an important time. It helps you rest after a busy day. If you have a good evening, you sleep well.
Exactly. When someone asks, "What do you do in the evening?" many people just say, "I go home, I watch TV, I sleep." But we want to help you say more. Stay with us. After our chat, we will give you easy conversation starters. And later, in our word tour, we will explain 3 important words so they stay in your memory.
So find a comfortable chair, or if you are making dinner right now, just listen to our voices. Let's begin. Emma, tell me, what do you do in the evening?
My evening is very quiet. I finish work at 5. First, I cook a simple dinner. Then I read a book. After that, I feel calm and ready for sleep.
That is very nice. You say you read a book. What kind of book do you read?
I read happy stories. It is easy on my mind. And your dinner? What do you eat?
I usually make pasta with tomato sauce. It is fast and easy to make. I like easy things in the evening.
That sounds fast. What about the rest of your evening, Leo?
My evening is busy. I finish work at 6. My big dog, Barnaby, has a lot of energy. First, I eat my dinner. Then I walk the dog. After that, I finally feel tired.
Does Barnaby want to play in the evening?
Yes, he wants to play, but I want to rest. So I drink a warm cup of milk. It helps me relax after walking in the dark.
See, listeners? Our evenings are different, but we use the same simple words to tell our story. Before we look at our conversation starters, let's practice listening and repeating. This helps your mouth learn the English sounds. I will say a sentence from our story. Then there will be a pause. You repeat the sentence out loud. Ready? I finish work at 5. I cook a simple dinner. I feel calm and ready for sleep.
Excellent job. Speaking out loud is the secret to getting better.
Sometimes the problem is not that you have nothing to say. The problem is that you do not know how to begin. Let's look at 3 conversation starters. Think of these as small doorways.
Starter number 1. After work, I. Use this to talk about the very first thing you do when work is finished. For example, after work, I go home. Or, after work, I cook dinner. Listen and repeat. After work, I go home. Very good.
Starter number 2. Before bed, I. Use this to talk about the last thing you do at night. For example, before bed, I read a book. This tells the listener your day is ending. Listen and repeat. Before bed, I brush my teeth. Another example, before bed, I listen to music. Repeat after me. Before bed, I listen to music.
Starter number 3. I like to. This is important. Tell people what you enjoy doing in the evening. For example, I like to watch TV. Or, I like to talk with my family. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I like to watch TV. I like to rest.
Now let us slow down. It is time for the word tour. We will look closely at 3 useful words we just used. Choose one that is useful for you.
Word 1. Relax. Relax means you stop working and let your body and mind rest. For example, I relax in the evening. Let's repeat it together. Relax. Relax. Notice the soft X sound at the end. Try it. Relax.
Word 2. Tired. If you are tired, your energy is low and you want to sleep. For example, I feel tired at 10 p.m. Let's repeat it. Tired. Tired. It is a feeling word. You describe yourself. I am tired.
Word 3. Dark. Dark means there is no light from the sun. In the evening, the sky becomes dark. For example, I walk my dog in the dark. Let's repeat it. Dark. Dark. Make a strong K sound at the end. Dark.
We have a mini quiz for you now. Do not worry, it is very easy. I will ask you a question. You will have 5 seconds to answer out loud using the words we learned today.
Question 1. What is the vocabulary word for stopping work and letting your mind rest? Did you say relax? Good job.
Question 2. How do you describe feeling like you have low energy and want to sleep? The answer is tired. Well done.
Question 3. How do you start a sentence when you talk about the last thing you do at night? You say, before bed, I. Excellent work today, everyone.
Simple, honest, natural. That is our goal. And now we would love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what do you do in the evening? Try to use one conversation starter today, like after work, I, or before bed, I.
And remember, your English does not need to be perfect before you share it. Start with the words you have. That is how confidence grows. We are so proud of you for practicing today.
We will be back next week with another episode. Next time, we will talk about weekend plans. What do you do for fun?
Until then, keep practicing. Talk to yourself out loud. Say, after work, I eat dinner. Then I relax. Make English a part of your daily life.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with another English learner.
Take care of your English and take care of your heart. This is Leo.
And this is Emma. You have been listening to the English Steps podcast.